it poppin', we gon' get it poppin'.
Hi guys, my name is Ersa. I will to introduce my team. Hi.
Hello, my name is Muslih.
Hi.
This is Rangga, over.
Hello.
Hey, this is Rangga. My name is Rangga.
Hello. It's Faiq here.
Yes, yeah.
And we're from the communication team.
리듬 타기 좋은 은한 노래 굳이 제목 정하자면 칭찬 이 노래를 틀면 고래도 춤추게 하네.
Alright, we will talk about walkie-talkie and what is it used for. A walkie-talkie, more formally known as a handheld transceiver or HT, is a handheld, portable two-way radio transceiver. Its development during the Second World War has been variously credited to Donald, radio engineer Everett J. Gross, and engineering teams at Motorola. First used for infantry simulated designs, work needed for field artillery and tank units, and after the war, walkie-talkies spread to public safety and eventually commercial and job site work. Typical walkie-talkies resembles a telephone handset with a speaker built into one end and a microphone in the other. In some devices, the speaker also is used as the microphone. An antenna mounted on the top of the unit. They are held up to the face to talk. A walkie-talkie is a half-duplex communication device. Multiple walkie-talkies use a single radio channel, and only one radio on the channel can transmit at a time, although any number can listen. The transceiver is normally in receive mode. When the user wants to talk, they must press a push to talk or PTT button that turns off the transceiver and turns on the transmitter.
The material to armor walkie-talkie.
Ersa, come in, Ersa. Ersa.
Here you are. First, let me tell you about the part of the walkie-talkie. Here is the power button. The run button takes the function of the volume button too. If you turn it, you can power on the walkie-talkie, and you can increase the volume. First, after turning on the radio is on, select the right channel. This is normally up and down switch. Here, think about the message you are going to transmit and press the large button on the side. This is called the PTT or press to talk button. You can choose the up side of PTT or down side of PTT because most of walkie-talkies have two frequencies can be work together. Then you can give all users on the radio a nickname. You can choose to be professional or you can choose to be normally. If you are professional, you can make a nickname with the department or the division you use, like packaging department to base department. Example like this.
Ersa, come in, Ersa.
This is Ersa, over.
Ersa, are you a man?
Maybe.
That's when you call someone or your friend. But if you want to call a division or department, you can be like this.
Base, come in, base.
This is base, over.
This is the packaging department. The packaging department feels so hungry. Can you give some food here?
Okay, this is base. Wait a moment. Over.
Okay, clear.
Yeah, that's when you call someone with the division or the department. You can use walkie-talkie simple with the volume button, turning the walkie-talkie with the right volume, and you can choose the channel with up and down button. Then the simple one is the press to talk button. You can choose the upside or the downside. That's very simple, right?
The conclusion of using walkie-talkie is walkie-talkie is able to transmit and receive messages, release to pass to talk, button to receive a return message. A walkie-talkie is very useful for any activity that needs communication between members such event. It's also useful for security and coordination in the event. Thank you.
Hi. Well, thank you for watching. This is a production from Computer Engineering Teknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya, and we're lectures by Mandias. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
우린 좀 간들간들간들간들해요 볼륨